Hey food lovers, welcome back to another interesting video. Today I share how to make peppered turkey, yes, spicy turkey, and how to make potato widgets, yes. So guys, without taking much of your time, let's dive in. So guys, we are starting off with our protein, yes, we're making use of turkey, and we are making use of the wings, yes, the turkey wings. So guys, go ahead and wash them with salt and lemon, yes. I've already washed them. So guys, it is time to make a score on them. Yes. Make some incision on them. Yes. In that way, your spices will infuse into it. Yes. And it will come out more tasty. All right. Okay. That's the reason for the incision. All right. Next up is to season. Yes. So you get your favorite seasonings ready. Okay. Here we'll have a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of ginger powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, paprika, and of course seasoning. So go on and pour it inside your protein. Yes, just like this, guys. All right. Now drizzle in some little amount of oil. Yes, vegetable oil. And begin to mix. Yes, massage the spices or the seasonings rather into the meats. Yes. Massage it so well. You want the spices or the seasonings to go inside the meat. And we are done at this point. Look at how it's looking. Yes. Got to massage it very well. Now we are done. It's time to allow it to marinate, okay? We'll allow for an hour. Yeah, if you can marinate overnight, that's perfect. Now cover it with a cling film and allow it to sit for an hour. While that is happening, let's go ahead and get other ingredients ready, okay? All right. Next is our peppers. Yes. We have our long pointed peppers and scotch bonnets. Yes. We've got garlic and ginger. So go ahead and scrape the ginger and of course take the back of the garlic, wash everything and transfer to your blender. Yes. So after an hour, yes, let's go ahead and grill our turkey. Yes, our turkey wings. Now get your pan, cover it with some foil paper and transfer your marinated turkey wings, yes, just like you're watching me do, guys. Yeah, keep going. And if you do not have an oven, you can fry it, yes. Fry with your vegetable oil, both sides, okay? All right. Once you're done, pop it into your oven and grill for, let's say, 10 minutes or 15 minutes, all right? Both sides. Yes. Moving on to the next one, guys. In the same bowl, pour in your potato, your well-washed sliced potato, adding some salt and flip or mix. All right. All done. So now go in with some black peppers. Okay, flip it again. You want to combine everything together, yes. All right, now transfer in your pan. Shout out to my newest and returning subscribers. Thank you, guys. I really appreciate each and every one of you for your support and your love. Please keep watching my videos, okay? Thank you so much and God bless. Let's continue, guys. Once you're done arranging them, go on and spread some oil. Yes, just like this, guys. Spray in some vegetable oil and pop into your oven, okay? Here is our turkey. Yes, we grate for 15 minutes and look at how they are looking. All right, now moving on to the next one. Get your clean pan, drizzle in some vegetable oil, Now go in with your diced onions. Give it a quick stir, all right? Okay. Fry for a minute. And now pour in your pepper mix. Yes, your blended pepper mix consists of long peppers, Scotch bonnet peppers, garlic, and ginger. Yes. So we're gonna allow it to fry, okay, until it is dry. Checking on our potato. Look at how it's looking. Yes. After some minutes, now we are adding some cheese, some mozzarella cheese. Yes, if you're a lover of cheese, you can go on and add more than this. Now go in with some dry parsley and pop back into your oven, okay? And there you have it. Our potato widget cheese is set. Yes, already, guys. Looking so good. So guys, let's check on our tomato. At this point, it is almost dry. So go in with your dry thyme and rosemary. Add in some little amount of salt and some seasoning. Yes, and stir to combine. Okay? All right. This is us. Checking again, and at this point it is dry. So go on and add in your grilled turkey wings, guys. Yes, we're gonna fry it with the peppers, okay? All right. We are flipping the other side. Oh my God, this is looking so good. So delish, guys. Are you gonna try it out? Let me know in the comment section. I advise you do, because you're gonna love it. Now pour in the turkey juice. Yes, the one we got from our grilled turkey. Please do not throw it away. Hello, you that is meeting my video for the first time. Welcome to Oma Sports. My name is Ijoma. You can call me IJ or Oma for short. Here we cook, we bake, we do everything edible basically. So please do well to be part of the family, okay? And you can only do that by subscribing. Hit the subscription button, turn on your notification bell to get notified each time I post new video. All right? Thank you. So guys, we just added our spring onions, yes, to garnish it up. And look at how it's looking. So delicious, guys. Our peppered turkey wings, guys, is looking all good. Yeah, so go on and stir it. I'm sure you are salivating. I know. I know. So at this point, we are done, guys. So get it off the heat. And there you have it. Our well spicy pepper turkey wings, all set. Give this recipe a shot, okay? And I assure you, you will love it. You will so love it. All set, guys. Yes. And here we have our potato widgets. Yes. Served with some pepper turkey wings. Guys, give this recipe a shot. And if you found this video helpful, please do not hesitate to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, okay, for more tasty recipes. See ya.